Okay, we're ready to attempt another first ride in this thing. We got the new front springs in. We got the brakes a little bit more than halfway bled now, so if we pump them up, we will get brakes. As you can see, first stab, the ride height isn't too bad. Might need to go up slightly. Looks like got maybe an inch from the top of the tire to the fender well. In the back we probably got closer to 2 inches. So it's all ready to go. I'm going to put you up outside here so you can see it come out of the garage. Our fancy camera tripod here. Let's see. That's pretty good. Like that way. See, it's coming around the corner. Even gooder. Maybe we'll go around one more time. That was much more successful than the last attempt. The brakes actually work when you pump them up. Set you up here anywhere. I guess that'll have to do. Steering rack, so it's a little tricky. Oh, it brakes up, it stops. The wheel a little straighter. A little funky on the launch, but hey, it goes. Do now have a brake pad light on, so I don't know what happened there. Let's see if our lights come on. There we go. Headlights came on. High beams, view indicator, turn signal. Oil pressure gauge, voltmeter, coolant temp, atomic LS. Ooh, let's see what this says. 14. That's not too good. I'm beginning to wonder whether this fan is actually up to keeping this thing cool. But yeah, first ride, yay. More later. Okay, so that was really what it's all about. A little ride, a little scratch of the tires. The brakes didn't make any horrendous noises. Nothing bad happened. So that was a success. And we'll still have to drive it around a little bit to get the suspension to settle out to assess the ride height, and then it looks like we're pretty well in the ballpark now, so the next thing that should happen suspension wise is probably to corner balance it. Well, after you do front and rear toe, front and rear camber, and front caster, then corner balance it. Then you can put the sway bars on it and make sure they don't affect the corner balancing. But I think we're a little ways from that. There's still a few other little things to fix, so we'll be working on that over the next few days and week and stuff like that. But wow, a first successful ride. Pretty happy about that. That's a successful achievement after the past couple of nights that I've been through with this thing. It's been fighting pretty hard. So now that we can actually make it at least around the house, once we finish bleeding the brakes, we can probably go out into the street with it and maybe drive up and down the street. So that'll be the next thing.